Hello guys, I'm going to update my about my channel. So, nag-change ako ng name ko from Jemerin Disu. Now it's Jamie. J-M-E. Nickname ko yon. So, I'd rather use that. So, anyway, I'm gonna share some stuff that I'd bought in SM. So, so here, this one. I'm just gonna share this very quick about I bought a wage sandals from Celine John. Also, diba, social. So, sale siya from 1499. I got it. I have a discount. They are sale. And I only got it for 999. So, I'll show it to you guys. Ang ganda ng bag nila, oh. And then, I'll show you my sandals. Ang ganda rin ng box. They're beautiful. Right. And then, I'll show you. It's just very quick vlog. Yan. Yan, ang ganda, guys. Baliktad. I'll just show you. I just want to show you this because this is my first ever branded wage sandals that I bought, though I already had some branded shoes, things like that. So I just want to show you this since I also have a blog about my bags, my slippers, things like that. So I want to share this to you. So yun. And then they have a freebies that they gave me also. And this is it. Here is a book, Our Daily Bread. They gave me to this one, so I need to read it. Need to read this. So I'm gonna read this some other time. So right now, I don't have a mood to read this book because it's it's very biblical book that I don't used to read. So I'm gonna try to read this anyway. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching my vlog, and for my new subscribers, thank you. For my subscribers, thank you also. So that's all.